You're watching Learn How to Draw Hub, and I'm your host, Nathan Johns. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Captain Knuckles. I'm excited, and I hope you guys are as well. But first, if you haven't hit that subscribe button, you should go subscribe right now. Awesome. Well, a few supplies that we'll need, as always, includes a blank piece of drawing paper, and you'll need a black Sharpie or pencil to draw with. Now, we're going to need multiple colors today, so I'm going to go over and I'm going to go list them right now. We will need a beige color pencil. We will need a dark brown. We will need a light brown. We will need a red, a blue, a dark green, and lastly, we'll need an orange. Well, I think we could do really great. Let's go try to draw Captain Knuckles, and let's see what we can come up with. For the first step in making Captain Knuckles, we're going to begin by making a basic V-like shape. Then we're going to connect both sides of the V with a big U-like shape. This will be the nose. Now, above the nose, we're going to make the first eye. So we're going to make a big circle and connect it to the nose. Then we're going to make one more right next to it. Next to each eye, we're going to make one long line. This will be the beginning of the hat for Captain Knuckles. Now for the top of the hat, we're going to make one line going up, and then it's going to curve down, then it's going to curve right back up. It's almost like a roller coaster. Now it's going to curve right back down. Awesome start. Now on the top of the hat, we're going to begin to make Captain Knuckles' eyebrows. So we're going to make a couple small black shapes. Now below the eyebrows, inside of each eye, we're going to make a pupil. To the left side of the nose, we're going to make one line coming down, and this will be the beginning of the body. And once we complete this line, we're going to hop over to the right side, and we're going to make one more line coming down to the same length. Now we're going to connect those two lines with one curved line. Now on each side, we're going to make one line coming down below the body that we just made, then we're going to connect those with one straight line. Below the shape that we just made, we're going to begin to make Captain Knuckles' boots. So you're going to begin by making one line underneath on each side. Then you're going to curve in with a backward C-like shape. And then you're going to make it right up to that line that we made earlier. Now you'll do the same thing to the right side that you did to the left. Now after we connect the legs to the body, we're going to move up a little bit where we will begin to make the arms for Captain Knuckles. So we're going to make a C-like shape on each side. We're going to make it appear as if Captain Knuckles' hands are on his hips, but if you wish to position him differently, that's completely okay as well. Now we are going to add detail to Captain Knuckles' shirt. Now one of the last steps for Captain Knuckles is to make the face. This is how to draw Captain Knuckles. Thank you for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. Now color in your Captain Knuckles with us.